Welcome. So in today's video is going to be a Zaful haul and review, and thank you to Zaful for sponsoring this video and also sending me these items to show to you guys. So Zaful is a really affordable clothing website, but on Black Friday they're gonna have even more deals and coupons for you guys. And also, if they give me a coupon code, I will definitely put it across the screen and also in the description box so you guys can save even more. So let's get into it. So this is the first dress. It is a ribbed black dress with a sweetheart detail. It also have a lace trimming detail, and it has a nice little bow tie right here. It is a midi dress, and I'm gonna back up later and show you guys the full dress. It sits well, and I feel like this is going to look good wherever you go. If you're going to the club, you're going out for drinks, or you're chilling at home, this is like the perfect black dress. So I'm gonna back up so you can see the full dress. This is the next dress. I absolutely love the color. I love the pattern. It fits amazing. I got it in extra large, but if I wanted it to be a little bit more tight, I could have gotten with a large because this is stretchy material. Also, this dress style is very trendy. It kind of have ruching detail all along where the buttons is, so it makes it very flattering, especially if you're curvier. And I also love the length, and the material feels really good. So I'm gonna back up and show you guys the full length of this dress.
Sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah,
This dress would be perfect for Thanksgiving because it's not too tight, or perfect for dinner. You go out to dinner and you don't have to worry about your food baby, because it kind of hide that area, especially with the silhouette and the way it's cut. So I love this. So this is the next dress. This dress is giving summer. It's given on the beach. It's given what it's supposed to give. Okay, I heard somebody said recently that I don't dress the way I used to, and don't let the two kids fool you. Okay, when it's time to pop out, your girl will pop out. Okay, so this is definitely a pop out dress. This is very trendy also. I've seen different cuts in this dress, but I feel like this is like a freakum dress. Like when you're ready to show out, like if you're going to the club or something, I feel like this is it. Or you can use this if you're more on the modest side. You can use this as a bathing suit cover up. I would use it for both. I love the color, I love the print, love the colorway, I love the brown and white. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and it's a mock neck. So if you're gonna wear this, I would definitely say you have to wear a bob, a high ponytail, something with your hair up or with your hair like slick all the way back. So it yeah. And I would definitely wear something underneath it that's either white. I'm saying this is white. It's actually not white. It's cream. Or wear something underneath it that's brown. Yeah.
God damn.
So yeah, this is definitely a pop out dress. So this is the next dress. Love, love, love the color, love the cut. I've definitely been getting into this cut way more, and I feel like it just does the body good, okay? Especially if you're curvy, it does what it's supposed to do for the body. And the color is like my favorite for fall. This would also be perfect for Thanksgiving. This would also be perfect for like if you have a work party to go to and you want to show out a little bit but keep it contained. This is also below the knee. I love a good below the knee dress. And then the back, I'm going to show you guys the back, and I'm going to turn around so you can see the full dress and what it's giving.
Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your.
So this is the next outfit. These pants, I could have gotten an extra large in them. I think these are a large. They're a bit too tight for my liking, but they're really cute. They're very on trend. Love the color. The color is definitely on trend because this light yellow and green is everywhere as far as clothing pieces are concerned. The top is also a light yellow, and the top is also a large, and I feel like I could have gotten an extra large because the neck piece is a bit tight. So I would say if you're gonna get these pants, definitely go a size up if you're on the curvier side. And also for this top, definitely go a size up because the neck portion is a bit tight, but cute nonetheless. You guys can get a better look at the top. This is how the top looks. It's actually 2-in-1. So you get a cami top and then you get this sweater thing to go over it.
Yeah, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap. Too sexy for that trap. Too sexy for that jab.
So this is the next top. It is a gray top. It looks super duper great. It has like a roll detailing on the shoulders. It makes the tatas look good. This is also double lined, which I love. I'm gonna turn around so you can see.
Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain. Too sexy for your game. Too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the.
I feel like if you wanted to actually crisscross the shoulder detail to make the back into an X, I feel like it has the stretchability to do so also, which is super nice. And if you also did the back in like an X detail, it will probably give the girls a little bit more support, but I can't complain. The girls look good, okay? They look good. This with a pair of jeans would look amazing, especially some high-waisted jeans. So the next items I have are this belt. This is actually a belt. I got it because it was super duper different. It's a rope detail. So yeah, and it has gold hardware. So got these, they're super pretty. So those are my last pieces for this try on haul and review. Everything, the quality is really good. The shipping was really good also. I didn't have to wait too long for my items. I think my items came in like 5 to 7 business days. The quality, as you guys can see, thumbs up for me. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.